Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen, traders around the world. My name is Jeff Goodwin, Forex Trading for Beginners, Changing Lives. What we're going to do today, we're going to look at some charts. This is Monday, early evening in the UK, precise time. Oh, it's actually afternoon, 20 to 5 in the UK. Lots of change. Let's go and have some fun. Let's see what the week has to offer us. Here we go. I'm going to share my screen. Okay, this is for the people in the Forex trading for beginners. Okay, just so you know, the plan is to have a live Zoom call, every Monday at this time here, 9 p.m. UK time and 4 p.m. Eastern New York time. That's the plan. You can see here, I'm looking at a few pairs with our famous harmonic scanner. Our famous harmonic scanner you get in the Ninja trading system. Looking at a few pairs. These things here, yeah, and you see the date comes down. But these are the few pairs, couple of pairs I was looking at, and I've entered trades actually. I even put TPs in and different things. This is one here, enter here, back here today. Come back to the went up, come back to the fib, the 50% line, I'll explain, and then continuation. And this one here, I'll go on a bigger time frame. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. This was my initial plan, but it didn't come down to this. It didn't come down to this area here. So we had to look at another way of entry. This was the plan. I thought it would come down to this area here. Came to this one, didn't come to this one. Yep. You see the entry, and this was another trade actually. This was the last trade. Look at that. That was the last trade I got. The new one, it came down, and I was looking for a test. And it came down, show you in the 15-minute. It came down, tested, and after you get a test, it's going to go up this way or go back. It's carried on. So that's the plan. The plan is to continue with the trade. Trade with the trend. Yep. Use some Fibonacci's. Hit there, back up. And then another one up here to the top, to the bottom. It came down into the 38.2 in the 50, in between this zone here for a retracement, and then back up. And I entered here. I entered here, and currently up. Not too much, but it's in a new trade. So they currently up 9-10 pips. So this is live. This is live, ladies and gentlemen, as we're speaking. So let me just summarize what we did there. Summarize what we did there. Yep, and look at this here as well. On a momentum oscillator here. Let me just summarize what we actually did. I'll put this away. Use these for entry, I don't need them from now. Yeah, this trade here, with our magic software, we got a reversal. Yep. It went down further than was expected, went down and come back up. Yep. That was the first trade. The second step See it there? Go up, and I come down, and you see here, I set some fibs. From here to here, because it went up to the high. So I did the fib from there to there, rather than tell you, I'll show you. Yeah, there's it there. The Fibonacci's is over here. Fib retracement tool. Yep. At the bottom. Stretch this out so you can see it clear out in the eyes. There. Where are we here? Oh, sorry, this is the wrong way around. I'll mix in. It shouldn't make any difference anyway. Yeah, down to the. That's it there. You see here, on the bottom there, and on the top there. So, went from the bottom to the top, and it retraced into this area here, 32 and 50. And it's now on its way back up. It's now on its way back up. I got in at this point, I just missed the entry. Guess what? It's okay. I wanted to make sure it's driving up strong before I actually got in. So this is where I am right now. Coming down a time frame. You see it here. Yep. So got this down as I went into this area, ninja down using the ninja trading system, and then back up. Got a new support and resistance. See that all the way along there. And this is what we currently are. We're down on the 5 minute. Now on the 5 minute, part of the ninja trading system, we have these something called EMAs built in. I need to get my mouse to work a bit better. Built in. Here we go. Come on. There you go. So the yellow is a 5. This one is a 13. And as long as the 5, the yellow there, this stays above this red line, I'm just going to stay in the trade. This is more of a scalping strategy now. So got the entry using the ninja trading system. Got the D. Yep. I didn't put the pitchforks on just now. I got the D. I wanted to go absolutely basics. Got the D. So I got the direction. The direction is up. Thank you very much. Got the D there. You see the D? It's a retracement or a reversal. Got the D. Yep. No, I did not go in here. I get in here. I wanted to go up. Break this area here. So I was in the 5 minute and then come down. And as I said to you, I looked for a reversal in the retracement using the Fibonacci's in 38, 38 and 50. So that's it now. This is live. So as long as it stays above the body there, does not go through, you stay in the trade. Okay. I set rules. So I'll do that again. So entry. 1, use software to find direction. Magic D. Second thing, yeah, typically you go how far, but for a scalping, using a scalp, what I call the hyper scalper strategy. Yep. First thing, entry. Second thing, we use an indicator. EMAs, especially the phi, the yellow, and red. Yep. 3. If red crosses body of candle, I'll change that. Get out the trade. 4. If 3 candle rule if in consolidation. Exit. Just check here. Okay, that. So I can play about with that a little bit more. So you see that down there. So entry candle when it's going up nicely. So we're in profit. We just stay in the trade. So it's just around about 9 pips. So because we're in profit, we can just relax, ladies and gentlemen. I'll put on some nice music. Now, when you're trading, if you get the good entry, it takes all the pressure out, waiting for the correct entry. But why are we doing it? We're doing it, as you know, because we have a reason. Whatever your reason is, whatever your purpose, your reason why, your dream, whatever you call it, there needs to be a reason. Yep. Once you've got that reason, it's simple. Because that's the momentum. That's the, what can I say, gives you the reason why, is it gives the power to motor through. And I mean, you look at that there, just there, ladies and gentlemen, just right there. Set goals, daily goals, weekly goals, monthly goals. Some people set a target for 10 pips a day at 3%. Some people set goals 2%, 1%. Whatever your goal is, I don't know. Yep. Next, we'll set the goals. The next thing, got to take action. All the theory in the world is fantastic, but until we hit that button, nothing is ever going to happen. So correct education is really important. Why is it important? It takes the fear away. I was in the military. Yeah. And when parachuting down in one of the parachute schools, the British military parachute school, they have a motto. It's knowledge dispels fear. So think about it. Parachuting. You learn to parachute up a perfectly serviceable airplane. You must be crazy. Look at that. It's going right up. Look at that. As we're speaking right now, ladies and gentlemen, this is live. Get up there. Come on, get up there. Very nice indeed. Oh, from now, look at that. It's fantastic. Now, but with the correct knowledge, the fear is dispelled. Now, some people, when they're trading, have that fear also. With the correct education, by coming to my trading platform, my Facebook group, and much greater platform I'm part of. If you want to become part of that much greater platform, you can get the advanced trading that takes that fear away. Because inside, while people trained in neuroscience, the latest technologies in neuroscience, and part of what they do is they pass that knowledge on. In the guide section, you can actually access that with no additional money. It's completely, everything is included. Now, next question, I was speaking to one of my friends the other day there and said, Jeff, all sounds good, but how much can I really make? I mean, I like my money system. And he says, well, let me give you an example, he says. So, well, I don't want to give you a number, but what number? So he said, let's say I have 50,000 US dollars. Most people don't have 50,000 US dollars, but let's look at that, 50,000 US dollars. Yep. I'm going to use something called position size calculator, and this will tell you what you get for your risk to reward. Yeah. The numbers here, it could be £50, $50, 500, 5,000. Let's say it's USD. Yep. 50,000. And I want to risk 1% risk. Yeah, we do that. If we lose, we lose a certain amount of money. And if we win a certain amount of money. Yes? So we're going to actually analyze that right now, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to analyze that right now by using this trade, the one I'm in right now. Yeah, so that stays there. I'm on the 5-minute, got my entry. I'm on the 5-minute time frame. I'm using the hyper scalper strategy. Because I can not only do it with one here, because here we have a multi-time frame strategy. All of these you can use with every single one of these, and a hyper scalping strategy. And it just goes up. Look at that. Look at the power. So $50,000. Right, so I'll go here to position size calculator and I type in 50,000. Yep. What's the currency pair? Australian dollar, Japanese yen. So I'll find Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Next, how much do I want to do? I want to risk 1%. 1%. Let me just double check. 1%. Stop loss. Let's say 10 pips. For some people that's too much, but some people it's too small. But let me just double check what would be a fair stop loss on that one. Seven pips. 8 pips. Let's say 8 pips would be a true reflection. But let's keep it at 10 for nice round numbers. So we do this trade and you lose 10 pips. You lose $500. You lose $500. This one is up 14 pips. 14, not 10, 14 pips. This is just an example. Just so you know, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not authorized to give any financial advice. What we're doing here is purely for education purposes. And you can see here, because I have dreamed big, because as it says there, later, I've set my goals and I'm taking action. I take it, press that button. So for the correct education, I'll find this here, my entry, use the software for direction. I use the Ninjacator EMAs and it keeps me in a good trade. You see that? It keeps me in a, you see that there? And if this yellow crosses this here, the candle comes down, I exit the trade. If it keeps going up and it goes into something called consolidation, something like this, 1, 2, 3, doing nothing, I exit the trade. I can get back in another time. Simple and easy. You need to know your reason why. You need to set your goals. I need to hit that button. Press. So, what happens now? We just watch. We stay in the trade. So if we did this one, ladies and gentlemen, right now, let's see how many pips this is up. It dropped a little bit there. It's now at 11 pips. So if this was 11.8, let's say this is 11 pips. Nothing happens. Guess why? It's that this stays the same. So therefore, that stays the same. But we've done that for 10 pips, ladies and gentlemen. But we're actually, sorry, our stop loss is 8. And we're up 11. So we're actually up more than that. We're actually up more than that. If this is your trade, I'm not suggesting your trading issues, maybe perhaps more, perhaps less. Where are we here? All I'm going to do, ladies and gentlemen, is I'm going to stay in the trade. Let's look at the other one. It's a bit busy right now. I'll just take a few indicators off. But there we are. Got the D. I'll move this here. Start from scratch. Yep. I'm going to remove this also. This software we have is virtually a cash machine, ladies and gentlemen. So we take this here, we move it up. You notice it comes down. So I'll take it from the bottom to the top, and it comes down and it hits this 32. This is a retracement. 32 to 50 goes back up. So, and then from there we just carry on this. Yep. Another retracement. It went outside at this time, but not in the trade. Not in the trade. You keep carrying on. Oh, sorry. If you were to get in this, if you were to get in here, you see that there? Again, it's repeated it, it's just went through it, but it's continued. It's continued. So it broke out that there by, some people count the pips, but it is this mouse. I've got a sugary mouse. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. 2 pips. Yeah, a couple of pips outside of that area, and it's going back up. And look at this. Yeah, it goes up, retracement, up, retracement, up, retracement, up, retracement, up. What's coming next? Retracement. And see another next TP. This is what it does. Exact same as this. Let's go this one here. Up, retracement. It's mouse to work. Up, retracement. This area here, consolidation, although it did the retrace, up, continue to go up very slowly. Continue to go up slowly. And then you can see there that a retracement. You can see there. And then back up again. And that's when we get in. We'll wait for the retracement. Look back. And it's doing a slight retracement at the moment from our position previously. Yeah, so we're expecting this to pull down, maybe into this checkpoint before continuing. But if it does happen, I'm just going to get out of the trade. I'm using the hyper scalper. I'm in profit. Potentially could get out now. I'm waiting for it to go back up. This is just a way of staying safe. Any questions? Now, this week we've had many questions from new members. Many questions about various things ranging from how to actually make the trades. So I've got this one here. Another one here to how to actually place the trades on your phone. Yeah. Another one, how to place your trades on the computer. This will be for another night. Yeah. Now, whatever you risk, ladies and gentlemen, okay, whatever the amount you've got there, maybe it's 500 rather than, maybe it's 1,000, maybe it's 100. It's the exact same. You just change the number. Yep. Now, I'm not allowed to tell you how much. I'm not saying I'm trading with this, but I wouldn't be allowed to say that. So let's just change this perhaps to another example of $1,000 with the same tool, same currency. 1%. Yeah, we'll do next round numbers. So we lose that trade, you lose $10. Currently, we are up to there to 14. And it's currently in 10. So it would be $10 up. You don't want to get rich in $10, but using the compounding method we use, today might be $10, but tomorrow might be 11, then it continues. If you're at 10,000, just add a zero. It's 100,000, add again another zero. This is it, ladies and gentlemen. It doesn't get any easier than this. The toughest thing about trading is the mind. You get the mind right after you've learned the strategies we teach in the Ninja trading system, but learning the mindset. We're one of our leaders, one of our senior traders, teaches neuroscience, getting the mind right, getting it focused, helping to overcome obstacles. See that it's coming down nice. So let me type in here another indicator you get in the Ninja trading system that may help. This is a multi-time frame stochastic. Now what this does, this looks at the 5 minute, and 15, 30 hour, 4 hour, all in one. See here, this one up here, this is the 5 minute, yeah? The 15 one is actually coming up. I'll meet it in a minute. I'll show you. And that's 15. It's coming up. Since 15 is actually still going up. Yeah. Now, if you're worried about all these, here's something that might worry about these, what we call whipsaws, in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. One of the little secrets we teach in the Ninja trading system. We click from normal candles to high Kinashi candles. Look at that, just evens out, easy. So if you're in the buy, you just focus on the blue. And you exit there, look, and it tells you. You focus on the blue. If we get another wrong candle, potentially we're out. You see that? Show you how it was before. Ups and downs and ups and downs. It's one of the little secrets we use in the Ninja trading system. Now, another comment we had in a recent survey, when they joined, Jeff, can you help me? I keep losing trades. I'm happy to help new members, not just people in the Ninja team, but new members as well. But eventually, I have to be honest, eventually you will have to come through for a pro account where you can get access to all these incredible tools. Look, just think of this. It doesn't get any easier than this. Look what I've got right there. Ninja, that tells me when to buy. Takes all the worry out. All the new members, you've sent me your messages, what the challenges are. Look, one before, right there. Look, all that there. Let's count how much that would, you get that one. Let's see even out there. Pips. They all add up. They add up, ladies and gentlemen. You've got a nice one there, look. All we do is you stay in the trade. And just go up and up and up. Can't make this stuff up. It's really good. But guess what? Get the mindset, get the correct strategy, get the tools that come with the pro version, and you're on to a winner. Now let's just wait for this next candle. Yeah, the next candle is in 3 minutes to see what happens here. Just wait and see the next candle. So what are your goals? What are your dreams? What's your purpose in wanting to learn to trade? There has to be a reason why. There must be a reason why you're putting yourself through this education. I spoke to a lady the other day there without giving away any secrets. I think she'd been trading for 15, 16 years and not been successful. Eventually she found us. And I'm going to guide her if I can. I'm going to guide the lady. I'm going to guide her and gently show her the way how you can trade. Get the mindset out of the way, the fear of placing that trade. Because when you have tools like this, telling you when to buy, have you tools like this telling you when to sell, it takes the risk away. So for example, if I get a red down here, like if I get one of them there, I can just exit the trade. That's another one we'll do an exit the trade. That's just another add-on. 1 minute and 16 seconds. I just wait for the next candle. What other questions do you have? Okay, struggling to get the money. Okay, struggling to get the money. Some people are struggling to get the money. They want access to the pro version. They know it's $6 a day. But when it adds up, you have to pay for it monthly. You understand that. If you want to do something badly enough, I would say to you, you just have to do it. Stop one coffee or one sandwich less. I recently came back from Thailand to the United Kingdom. I stopped, did isolation. I stopped in a roadside cafe. I had a sandwich and a black coffee, 11 British pounds. I'm like, what? I nearly choked. We're only talking about $6, which is £4.30. You know? Okay, so the third candle was a down. So what I'm going to do is it's still not touched the red. It's still not touched the red, so I'm going to stay in the trade. We'll try this now on normal candles to see what happens. Oh, so that's a nice one there. Yeah. So we've got to be careful here. Where on normal candles, this could be an exit. I'm just going to wait. We're down to the 1 minute just to check. In 1 minute. Okay, it's touching the blue. The aqua. Now it's either going to up quickly or there. If it's down, I'm going to exit the trade. 15 minutes. Let's see what we've got here in the 15 minute. It's still going up. Going up. Still going up actually. 5 minute. Let's have a look at this. Coming down on the 5 minutes. It's meeting the 50. There's a 15, there's a 5. So it's going there. The other one, the rest of them are all coming up. So I have to be honest, I'm really tempted. This tail, although this has been coming down, this coming back up. The 15's coming up. They're actually meeting right now. It's like a little battle between the buyers and the sellers. Let's see what happens. Depends on this next candle. Let's see when this is. Still in profit. Still in profit, ladies and gentlemen, by 7 pips. I was go there, I got it 15 into 7. I said this is a hyper scalping strategy. Use all these pairs here, multiple time frames. We can set it so every single one of these, it comes up automatically in your templates up here. That's what's good about the Ninja trading system. It's all built in. Press one button and it appears. So no matter which one of these, no matter which one of these opens, it appears. The hyper scalper strategy. Yeah. You can see here, ladies and gentlemen, I said there's a little battle between the 15 minute and the 5 minute. We don't understand that. It's okay at the moment. So we're a little battle between the buyers. 15 minute, they actually want to push it up. The 5 minute, they want to push it down because it's reached this peak. It's reached this peak, it's pushing down. It takes 3 5 minute candles to make 115. 15's pushing up. So on the 15, you see there, still going up. Oh, let's see. This strategy I created, ladies and gentlemen, as part of the Ninja trading system. We have a strategy, and this is a little add-on to it. And the reason for that, I didn't create the Ninja trading system. What I created was just this add-on. We use the hyper scalper. We get the magic key. We go straight into the 5 minutes, and we add these on. Because some of my friends were losing trades, and I'm like, why are you losing trades? So what you do is, as soon as you get into the trade, apply these with your Ninjacator. Apply these with your Ninjacator, and then you'll very easily, you see if it is going in the wrong direction, just get out in profit or a small loss. But you can see how relaxed I am because, you know, if it goes down to here, I exit the trade in profit rather than wait and worrying. Let's use another example. Let's say some people only have $500. Nothing about $500. $500 with a risk. Let's see when a risk 2% this time. When a risk 2%. Same trade. $500. The risk 2%. If I'm so prepared to lose $10. Like previously before, remember, it was 15. It was 15. So again, doesn't make you rich, Doesn't make you poor. Winning obviously never makes you poor. But what it does, these small trades with the compounding method, it teaches you rules for success. By learning the rules and learning to read candles as you learn in the Ninja trading system, when eventually when your account becomes bigger, or you choose to ask me how to get a funded account. And that funded account could be $50,000. It could be $100,000, $30,000. No? This is real money. So actually one of my rules came through. I probably should have got out of the trade just there at this point here. Came through and it broke through. I just want to see what happens right here. Because here what we have, a major resistance line right here. At this checkpoint, remember I mentioned checkpoint before? If it breaks through there, I'm 100% getting out the trade. In profit, of course. It's quite a strong downtrend there. Yeah. Let's make an exit this, ladies and gentlemen. So to let you know, I'm in profit from here. I only got 4 pips. Been a fantastic day. I'm going to get out of the trade now. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Stay happy. Stay cheerful.